In real-world manufacturing, many types of variances arise that present significant challenges to traditional automation solutions, such as variance in position, product, or material deformation. How do we teach our robots to respond to these varying conditions? It would be costly if we had to use pendants or hand guiding to manually design the robot response every time something changes. SigmaKit is an AI-powered robot control system built to overcome these challenges. Robots trained with SigmaKit respond instantly to unstructured and unpredictable conditions. Robots can be trained quickly and intuitively. No coding, no expertise required. Developed by Carbon Sinks, SigmaKit combines cutting-edge physical AI and robot dexterity into a ready-to-deploy kit for industrial robots. With SigmaKit, robots can handle a wide range of tasks: assembly, machine loading, rearrangement, attaching and detaching, hanging, picking, even transparent objects, and more. Unlike conventional solutions, SigmaKit adapts seamlessly to irregular positions, dynamic production lines, flexible materials, reflective or transparent objects, force-sensitive tasks. It is also capable in tasks where flexible error recovery is essential. In every case, SigmaKit responds like a human. Operators can teach robots simply by demonstration. By watching a few short demonstrations, SigmaKit learns how to respond. No complex programming, no heavy equipment, no AI expertise required. Just an intuitive, hands-on approach that mirrors how operators already work. We'll demonstrate with a simple task: inserting a cartridge into a label maker. Using simple data collection tools, robots can be remotely operated while recording task-specific videos and robot motion. One of SigmaKit's greatest strengths is how easy and intuitive data collection becomes. In many cases, just a day of training is enough to generate a model with good performance. Because training is based on real operator actions, the robot also inherits subtle know-hows and the ability to adapt to variable conditions. For more effective training, SigmaKit includes tools to filter and review data, removing unnecessary inputs and editing recordings to improve training efficiency. Captured images and motion data are then transformed into robot intelligence that we call skills. These models can be deployed directly to robots and tested immediately. Once training is complete, the models can be exported and applied on the factory floor without delay. SigmaKit ensures robot performance that faithfully reflects human demonstrations, enabling smooth handling of diverse scenarios that might arise in the real world. Tasks once considered impossible to automate are now within reach. With SigmaKit, you can conquer the challenges of high-variance automation.